Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish from this powerful data coming from trader. I refer it as smart money. Let me explain to you what I see this week. Look at the green line, represent the long contract, buying contract, and the red line is the short contract, selling contract. So selling is dropping, buying is increasing and had a crossover, which is quite significant. Last time when we see this, price has pushed up higher early part of the year, which is here. So we're seeing something similar. So I suspect price is going to try and test around the north of 40,000, 50,000 area. So based on the commitment traders, I remain very bullish. I have been buying more last week. I will be looking to buy some of the crypto stuff, which I explain in a moment. Let's get into the Bitcoin chart itself, have a look at what could potentially play out. So we're now ranging in this for the last 2 weeks. So pop higher is great, holding nicely around the 34, 35 area. I like to see the $36,000 break. So I like to see this area break, okay? So let me just change my camera position so that you guys can see a bit clearer on the chart. So yeah, I like to see the 36,000 area break and continue higher. Like I said, you can use a weekly chart to see a bit clearer on that. Not much resistance now, got soft levels. The next level is around the 47, and then we'll just see how these play out. I mean, I don't expect to go on a straight line, but something like that, boom, to the hundreds. 1,000 plus, but it will take a year or two, so we shall see. Ethereum is the one that I've been buying. I already bought about 50-60% of my initial investment. I need to see price break above now 2,100, the area, to buy my remaining part. Okay, so that's the plan on Ethereum. Other cryptos looking quite healthy as well. Litecoin, I've got a buy stop order just above this swing high here, so around $76. I won't buy the remaining until it break above 100. Ripple, I bought already, it's breaking higher, so the remaining one I won't buy until around $1 mark. Cardano, I just bought some more because it's trying to break the trend line, so I'm happy with the price. I just want to accumulate in this area. Coinbase, the one that I've been buying, is doing all right. I just want to see, break above the $90 area, I'll buy some more, and then the remaining part would be above the 100 and probably 120. Some other crypto stock that I want to buy is IoT platform. Maybe place an order tomorrow around 11, basically above the Friday high, then I'm happy to buy it. Mara is not looking to join in just yet, but yeah, above $11 would be. Another one that I haven't bought, but the MicroStrategy is very bullish. You can look at the accumulation distribution line actually making, a high before prices. So let's see if it breaks above this, $460 area. So I remain bullish on cryptocurrency. Have you guys been buying, or do you consider to join the party? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you very much for watching.